You want more? I think he wants more. Here, bro. Here, take it. No. Come and take it. Here's a little guy. Poke him in the butt. I'm gonna go down here, cleaning this fish, and I see he's eat, bro. He's camera shy. He's really camera shy, my friend over there. He stole my fish, bro. Give me my fish. I was feeding you, not with that bitch. He took my fish. I cleaned that fish already. I thought he's gonna go for the guts. Go figure. See, the guts are here, and I should have put that fish in, and he goes for the gold. Piece of shit, son of a bitch. Son of a gun, and you lost that. You brought it to your stupid friends, huh? Bitch. I'm gonna keep this one as a shark bait. There goes the dinner. I was so happy to have that fish. Well, I guess that's gonna end it. I was just filming my last words here, and then I saw this guy and I decided to feed him, and there he goes. Oh boy, he stole my fish. I guess I'll be just eating crabs. Poor me. What a life. Look at that ladybug chilling on the rocks. So much nature today. Nature had stole my lunch from me. Quite upset about that, but what are you gonna do? He made me upset, actually. Made me very upset.